Look at this beautiful ewa agonyin. Now let me show you how I made it. This is dried chili pepper and I am going to soak it with hot water. Okay, so I pour my hot water now just to soften the dried chili pepper. So after some time I will come back to it. I'm going to set it aside now. Then here I have my beans. I pour my water, salt, and I cover it to cook till it softens. We are making ewa agonyin today. Now, to show you how I made the sauce, that blackish sauce. Now the dried chili pepper is softened enough and I add my onion and blend. Now move back to my beans. It is done now. Then I use my masher to mash it just to break it down and make it thicker. Welcome and welcome back to Sweetola Kitchen. And to my old subscriber, thank you. My God will reward you abundantly. And to you that just coming across my channel, I say welcome to you too. Now I have my palm oil here and I'm going to allow it to bleach a little bit. Then I add my onion. So you just have to be patient here. Fry your onion very well before you add your pepper. Now I'm going to change this pot because I discovered that my stew is a little bit small and I don't want my small stew inside a bigger pot. So I change it to this pot. Now I'm going to make this stew in 2 batches. If you like it to be a little bit light, I'm going to show you. And if you want it to be darker, then I'm going to show you how to make the two. Then I add the pepper now. And it's just the dry. You can also use this red pepper, the dried one also. But that take a longer time to make the stew ready. Look at it. This is the brownish one. It's very dark. Now I'm going to show you the next step. This one is going to be dry and brown, but not that dark. It depends on how you want it. So I had my palm oil now and I had my onions too. So I'm still frying the onion now. Take a look at it. Okay. This stew is somehow much, so I prefer to use this my pot instead of the other small pot that I used earlier. Add the pepper, then seasoning cube and salt. Okay, stir together and allow it to fry very well. Okay, take a look at it. Unlike the common stew, I think this one is better now. But this ewa agonyin, you have to make it dark, make it dry, and a lot of palm oil in it. Okay, so I continue to fry. Okay, look at my thick beans here. Okay, look at the stew. Now this one is not dark unlike the first one. So anyhow you want it, just choose your choice. Now tell me, what would you like to take with this beans? Yam, bread, or plantain? As for me, this is going with a soft bread. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.